Hi, my name is Elena. I made an easy quiz mixing 12 grammar rules to test your English knowledge. 1. Paul blank like eating breakfast. A. Don't. B. Isn't. C. Doesn't. D. Aren't. The answer is C. Doesn't. Doesn't is used with singular subjects like Paul in negative present simple sentences. Don't is used with plural subjects or I and you. 2. We blank from Paris. A. Don't. B. Isn't. C. Wasn't. D. Aren't. Answer is D. Aren't. Aren't is used with the plural subject we in negative present simple sentences. 3. Blank you walk to school or do you take a bus? A. Do. B. Are. C. Does. D. Is. Answer is A. I'll do. Do is used for forming questions with you in the present simple tense. 4. How blank is this book for? A. Many. B. Cost. C. Price. D. Much. Answer is much. Much is used when asking about the price of something, which is an uncountable noun. 5. Here blank Sarah. Let's tell her all the news. A. Coming. B. Comes. C. Will come. D. Is coming. Answer is B. Comes. Comes is used in the common expression here comes someone to indicate arrival. 6. He blank his clothes on the floor. A. Always leaves. B. Is always leaving. C. Always leaving. D. Always is leaving. The answer is A. Always leaves. Always leaves is in the present simple tense, which is used for habitual actions. 7. He blanked to London last week. A. Has gone. B. Went. C. Did go. D. Goes. Answer is B. Went. Went is the simple past tense of go and is used for completed past actions. 8. He understand English? A. Do. B. Does. C. Is. D. Are. Answer is B. Does. Does is used to form questions with he in the present simple tense. 9. My aunt blank with us this week. A. Will staying. B. Staying. C. Is staying. D. Stay. Answer is C. Is staying. Is staying is in the present continuous tense, which is used for temporary actions happening now. 10. What blank now? A. Do. B. You doing. C. You do. D. Are you doing? Answer is D. Are you doing? Are you doing is used in present continuous tense to ask about a current action.